how to sell meme coins and phantom wallet. Now, this process is just very quick and very easy thing to do. All I have to do to sell meme coins or utility tokens is just simply reverse the process on your current or your favorite decentralized exchange. So open up your Phantom Wallet account and ensure that you're completely logged into your account. Now head directly into Swap, which is located at the lower portion of your screen. So at the there's our first field, you just need to change it into your currency of your meme coin. Now once everything is sorted out, enter the specific amount that you pay, and then on the receive part, you can also change it if it's either into Solana, USDC, Pump, Ethereum Base, Sui, or Polygon. Depends on you. And once everything is set out, just simply hit on confirm and you're good to go. And that is how you sell meme coins in Phantom Wallet.